Hello everyone, this is Komal and today we are going to discuss for class 10th chapter number 8 mineral and energy resources. This is the first part of mineral and energy resources. This chapter is divided into two parts, chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. So firstly we will discuss this chapter for the iron ore, manganese, bauxite and copper part. So firstly, with the introduction of minerals, what are minerals? Mineral is an aggregate of two or more than two elements, which means it contains organic matters, and it can be generally extracted in the form of or processed, or it is used for the various purposes. So here are the types of minerals. Two types, first one metallic and the second one is non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals which we are getting from the igneous rocks, and the second one non-metallic minerals we are getting from sedimentary type of rocks. So after this, the main important thing is minerals are the non-renewable resources. That means it can be exhausted easily, and we will not replace, we will not get these type of minerals in easy way. So it is very important to conserve these minerals. So next is the distribution and the uses of minerals. The distribution part contains four types of minerals. The first is iron ore, second magnesium, third bauxite, and the fourth one is copper. First one, iron ore, it has four types: magnetite, limonite, siderite and hematite. So first one, magnetite, it has about 72% pure iron, so that's why it has magnetic properties. So we are considering as a magnetite type of mineral. It is reddish in color, and it is used in the industrials ore of iron and manufacturing steels. It is also found in Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next, it is used to produce pigments. And the second type is limonite. Limonite type of limonite type of iron ore contains 60 to 70% pure iron, and it is used to manufacturing iron. Next is the hematite. It contains the 40% of pure iron, and it has the color of brown color. It contains. It is very inferior in quality. It is found in Raniganj, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and used for this is pigment in the manufacture of paints. Next is siderite. It is an inferior ore and has many impurities in it. 10 to 40% pure iron exists in this type of siderite. It is found in Gujarat, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. Next is the uses of lower grade iron ore. Lower grade iron ore, it is compacted and converted into the pure iron after mixing it with the other mineral types. So these types are used for making steel strong and iron content also. Uses of iron ore, it is used for making pig iron, sponge iron and steel. Next is the distribution of iron ore in India. Iron ore distributed in India, the first largest producer of iron ore is Karnataka. After that, some other places also in India we are getting iron ore, but not in the pure form. The types we are getting, like the siderite type, the limonite type. So here are the description of Odisha. Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore. Here it is getting the good quality of iron, that is hematite. Next is manganese. Manganese ranked third in the world for India ranks third in the world in manganese production, and manganese we used 9 kg manganese for manufacturing 1 ton of steel. So it is very important for making steel strong, and it is making the bitterness of the steel somewhat less. It is also used as an alloy, and about 30% it is used during the refinement of iron ore. Next, here are the types of manganese. Next, first one is ferromanganese, second silicomanganese, and the third one chrome manganese. Distribution part, manganese found in Karnataka, Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, but the largest producer in India for manganese is Odisha. Next is the bauxite. Bauxite is the third largest producer of India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world, and bauxite is used for making aluminium. When we are manufacturing aluminium, we are mixing it with bauxite to make it strong. It is used in aircrafts, planes, ship, utensils, and electrical industries because it is good conductor of electricity, so that's why we are using it. Then distribution, in distribution part, bauxite is distributed in Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh. In various districts we are getting the bauxite mineral. Odisha is the largest producer for bauxite. Next is the copper. Copper is the highly ductile and able to drawn out in the wire. It is very strong and it can be converted into thin wires, so we are using for the electrical wires. It is a good conductor of electricity. We are using it in the thermal plants, wires, machineries, automobiles, and telephone wires, stainless steels. It is also used in the railway equipments, industrial, other engineering works. The next thing is very important. It is used to making alloys like brass. Brass means copper plus zinc we are using. Then with mixing it with tin, we are getting bronze. Copper distributed in India in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Only in these three places. In Madhya Pradesh, we are getting it from the 57% of total production, and it is getting from the Teregaon area and the Balaghat district. This is very important part. So here is the topic. If you will get any query, you can ask me through comment section. Thank you.